Hi everyone, I'm really excited to have spent some more time with Padlet. I've used it a lot previously, but I've used it mainly as a tool for students just to post a response to something I asked. So when I looked at it a little more, I decided that I would like to use it as something that students could interact on or perhaps collaborate. Um, so right now in Spanish, we are studying how to extend invitations, how to invite people to go somewhere or do something. So I made a couple of posts with questions. This one's asking, would you like to go to the movies with me? And this one's like, would you like, or can you go to the library with me? And so what I thought I would do is I had my family kind of experiment. And I had them logged in. I shared the QR code with them. So they just scanned that and then they were able to log in and respond. And so I thought a neat idea for collaboration would be to have every student post an initial question to my prompt, and then they would each have to respond to two other people. One time they would have to respond negatively and give a reason why they can't. And then another one, whoever responds positively, accepting the invitation, they could then continue the conversation by asking more specific details. So I'm really excited to try something either like this or similar with my students soon.